Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this one we are discussing MPH003 and before starting this I want to share something. We provide all the solutions in a PDF form with very minimum charges. If you need answers of this and others code also, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can see the number here 9009368238. Kindly note this number. You can message and call also. We provide a solution in a day. And now the question number 1 is the two identical infinite non-conducting sheets having equal positive surface charge densities sigma r cap parallel to each other as shown in the figure below. Determine the electric field at a point in region A on the left of the sheet 1 and region B between the sheets and the region C on the right of the sheets. So that you can see here, if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us. We provide all the solutions according to your suggestions and according to your uh, requirements. So you can contact us without any hesitation. Thank you so much for watching.